How to create Snapchat account on iPhone. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you create Snapchat account on your iPhone. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the application Snapchat. So from here you can as usual go with the option use other account, or you can also go with the option sign up. So simply tap on the option sign up. Alright, so by tapping on the sign up section, you'll be able to create a new account. So for that, you'll have to just give your first name and last name here. Alright, so simply after you give it, you'll have to just tap on the option agree and continue. And now from here, you'll have to select the birth of date. So you can easily set up birth of date here. And after you complete, you'll have to just tap on the continue option. Okay, so from here, you can choose your username, or you can also choose the default username that Snapchat will recommend you. So after you done it, you'll have to just tap on the continue. Okay, so from here you'll have to just set a password from here. So the password will be like at least 8 characters. So from here you'll have to just set a password, and after you set a password, you'll have to just tap on the option continue. Okay, so from this interface you'll have to just provide your email address, or you can also use your phone number instead. So you can as usual provide your email address or your phone number. So here I am giving the email address. Alright, so after you done it, you'll have to just tap on the finish option. Okay, so from here you can as usual skip this option. So you can easily tap on the skip option just at the top right corner. Okay, so from here you can easily go with the option continue. Okay, so from here you can choose your avatar, or you can also add your profile picture. So right now I am skipping this. I'll tap on exit. Okay, so as you can see, I have successfully created a Snapchat account on my iPhone. So as you can also see the account by tapping on your profile icon just at the top left corner. Okay, so from here you can see I have created a new Snapchat account on my iPhone. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.